You must have heard of lot of copilots going around in the terms of AI these days. We have GitHub Copilot for code, we have AI copilots from Microsoft, and there are a lot of other applications which are claiming to be copilots. Now, Microsoft has democratized their chat copilot on GitHub, where you can go in and install this copilot locally. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. There are a few prerequisites for this, and I'll walk you through. Before that, you need to know something about semantic kernel, which is a groundbreaking technology from Microsoft. I have done a couple of videos around it, and I will drop the link in video's description. Semantic kernel is primarily a software development kit which enables you to integrate large language models with programming languages like Python, C Sharp, and Java. Okay, now if you look at this GitHub repo, you will see that this is the Copilot which you can install locally and integrate it with your own applications on your own data. If in order to install it, you would need .NET 7, Node.js, and Yarn. And the AI services will be Azure OpenAI, so you would need some Azure account and also you would need OpenAI key, and that is a paid thing, so which costs around $20 per month. I really wish that this will also be made free by using the free and open source models behind the scenes. But anyway, once that's done, these are the instructions which you need to follow in order to install it on Windows, and you can also do it on Linux. For the Windows one, just clone this repository, go into this repository and simply run this PowerShell script, and this will install everything you need. Now, once that's done, you need to configure it with this PowerShell script by passing these variables, which is AI service, endpoint, then API key, and your endpoint from Azure. Now, if you're using OpenAI, you can omit this endpoint. And in order to start it locally, just run /start .ps1 and it will start it. If you want to install it on Linux or Mac, then simply open your bash as administrator, cd to that directory, and then simply run this install shell script. For Mac, just install this brew script and it should open it up, and then similar steps for configuration, and then you can start it with this shell script. You can also enable it with Azure AD, but I haven't tried it out, but you can read through if you want to do it this way. But all in all, very straightforward and very stable code, I must say, because maybe it's from Microsoft and they seem to be very serious about this. So the code is very stable. I haven't encountered any bug, but give it a try and let me know how you go. It's very simple to use, um, and I think this is the way AI will be heading, where a lot of things will be open source and free to use. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or confusion, please ask them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.